Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will explain how we can get the smooth print of curved surfaces. This is a model that we have purchased from Curves and want to get the smooth print of this object. The top surface of the object is not smooth, that's why it can't be printed without spots. When I let down the top surface on the bed, the spots are generated for printing. If we will print this object with spots, after printing, when we will remove the spots, the surface of the object will not remain smooth. Then we let the inner surface on the bed and printed the object with spots. Once the printing has been done, the top surface of the object was still not smooth. The curved and the wavy faces occurred on the surface of the object. If we look at the slicer, we can see that the top red lines are not at the same level, just like this object, which indicates that the final result of this object will not be smooth. In second attempt, I decided to print the object in vertical position and placed the side of the object on the bed. When I slice the object in the slicer, we can see that the side lines are at the same level, which indicates that the final result will be awesome. Then I started printing. Once the printing has been done, the final result of the object was much better and we can use this object without any problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos. Thank you. Have a good day.